monsters down below. Crooked gates and rusted steel. A house of grief that doesn't feel. Candles flicker, shadows bend, waiting for the final end. Open casket, hollow stare, something breathing in the air. Door swings wide without a sound. Heavy steps drag across the ground. Body twisted, jerking slow, like broken strings that twitch below. Clothes are torn, stained and black. Mud and rot across his back. Head hangs low, then snaps to see. Eyes like pits of nothing, empty. He walks the aisle, a crooked line. Spine bent wrong, not his design. Every step, a fractured plea. Something else is wearing me. The priest steps down, hand raised in light. Whispers prayers into the night. But the man just lifts his head. He's coming. Voice not his own. Cracked and hollow, dead in tone. He's coming through blood and breath. Something rising under death. Priests move close, the cross held tight. Words of God against the night. Sudden lunge, no warning cry. Blackened bile begins to fly. Spills like tar across his face. Burning through the holy grace. Screams erupt, the candles die. Something else now stands inside. The priest convulses, drops to knees. Bones snap back with sickening ease. Skin pulls tight, his jaw distends. Faith collapses, something bends. Two now stand where one once prayed. Flesh undone and souls decay. Hands reach out, they dare, they claim. Every body feeds the flame. Blood on pews, teeth on bone. No one leaves this house alone. He's here, not alone. Through the vessel, through the bone. He's here, spreading wide. Every scream, a door inside. Graves outside begin to shift. Splitting earth begins to lift. Wooden coffins crack and moan. Something answers from below. Nails break skin, the dirt gives way. Rotting hands begin to pray. Not for mercy, not for light, but to rise and join the night. Guests are dragged across the floor. Faces smashed against the door. Teeth like glass and fingers bent, tearing flesh with no intent. The man still moves, but not the same. Something else behind his frame. Every step infects